Hello everyone. Today we'll look at one of the awesome feature in Excel. But before that, can you see here column A data? Here I have list of country, capital, currency and content all in one column. Now how do I separate these individual values in different columns as I have so much of data here? First, let me put label for each of these values. Country, capital, currency and continent. Now I'll manually fill in the first row value. I'll put the country here and then the capital, currency, and the continent. Now to populate all the row values, it's very tedious job to manually fill in all the values. Excel has a great feature, flash fill, in which it fills the value based on the pattern as I have populated in the first row. Now what is flash fill? Click on data and here we have flash fill. What is flash fill? It automatically fills in values, enter a couple of examples you want as output and keep the active cell in the column you want filled in. Now have the cursor here and click on flash fill. Now you can see all the countries have been populated based on the pattern. Just do the same way for capital. Click on flash fill and you can see all the capital for the country is being populated. Same way for currency and the same way for continent. So now I have separated country, capital, currency and continent on all 4 different columns. It's so easy. Let me scroll down. You can see all the columns have been populated. We can randomly check one of the country values. Let's scroll down and see Spain values. You can match and you can see all the values are fine. Now let me go to sample to example. Yeah, I have again in column B have student first name, last name, age, gender and country all in one column. Now let me separate this into different columns. So I'll first put the labels student first name, last name, age, gender and country. Now in first name, in the first row here, I'll manually populate the first row value here. First name, then last name, age, gender and country. Now we'll click on the flash fill icon and you can see all the first names have been populated, but I made a small mistake here. In first name I didn't put the last digit, so all the row values are same. So only I'll change the first row value here. I'll just populate the first row with the correct value and enter. You can see all other rows are pre-populated again with the correct values. Now I'll do the same thing for last name. Click on flash fill and you can see all the last name has been populated. Same way for age, same way for gender and then for country. It's so easy to use. Now let's go for another sample. I'll go for sample 3 example. Let me go to other tab. Here I have the values in 4 different columns. So now what I'll do is in this column I'll fill in the same values in certain format. So the format will be I will use the first name, last name, age, gender and country. And this time this time I'll not use comma. I'll separate the values with space. So I'll go to the first row and pre-populate this row with the values. So first name, last name, age, gender and country. So come to the next row and then we can click on the flash fill here. As soon as I click on flash fill, you can see all the rows have been populated the same format. We can scroll down and check the values. It's so easy to use. So this is how we use flash fill function in Excel. Hope you like this. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.